I tested AI-powered dropshipping tools for a full week. The results shocked me. Here's exactly what I did and how you can replicate it starting today. Day 1, I integrated 3 AI tools: product research automation, competitor analysis, and pricing optimization. Using ChatGPT prompts, I identified trending niches in minutes instead of hours. The AI filtered products by profitability, demand, and competition. Setup took 2 hours total. This saved me days of manual research that most dropshippers waste. Next, I used Midjourney to generate product images and descriptions instantly. Zapier automated supplier connections and order fulfillment. Within 48 hours, my store had 50+ products with AI-written copy optimized for conversions. This automation replaced tasks that typically take freelancers weeks to complete manually. By day 7, I generated $340 in revenue with 0 manual customer service. The AI chatbot handled inquiries, returns, and complaints automatically. Conversion rates were 3.2% above industry average. While not passive income yet, this proves AI dramatically cuts setup time and operational costs for scaling dropshipping. Start with Spocket and Zero Bounce for supplier connections. Use ChatGPT for product research and descriptions. Automate with Zapier. Set realistic timelines. Profitability takes 2 to 3 weeks. This AI approach cuts traditional timeline in half. Most importantly, monitor and adjust based on real customer data, not assumptions.